I would like to introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mary. My name is Mary. I am from Morocco. I am from Morocco. I worked with different people.
I worked with different people.
We collaborated on projects. I can work under pressure. I can work under pressure. I am a motivated person. I am a motivated person. I am a hardworking person. I am a hardworking person. I like learning new skills. I like skills. I am always ready to improve myself. I am always ready to improve myself. I enjoy working with people. I enjoy working with people. Let's review the latest figures.
3.
I have good communication skills. I have good communication skills. I can work well in a team. I can work on the tools.
Sounds good. I can handle the data.
I am a quick learner. I am a quick learner. I am very organized. I am very organized. I can solve problems effectively. I can solve problems effectively. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I pay attention to details. I pay attention to details. I am responsible and reliable. I am responsible and reliable. I can work under pressure. I can work under pressure. I always try to do my best. I always try to do my best. I improved my skills in my last job. I improved my skills in my last job. I always try to do my best. I always try to do my best. I am happy to be here today. I am happy to be here today. I have experience in this field. I've worked on several projects in this area before. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I learned many things from my previous job. This report needs the Q3 data. I gained valuable experience. I gained valuable experience. I handled different tasks. I handled different tasks. I worked on many projects. I helped my team achieve goals. I helped my team achieve goals. Great job, everyone!
Cheers to us!
I learned how to manage challenges. I learned how to manage challenges. I always try to learn from my experiences. I always try to learn from my experiences. I am a positive person. I am a positive person. I like challenges. I like challenges. I like to learn every day. I like to learn every day. I am flexible and adaptable. I am flexible and adaptable. I respect deadlines. I respect deadlines. I am open to feedback. I am open to feedback.
That's great. Let's discuss the recent reports.
I like improving my skills. I like improving my skills. I am patient and focused. I am patient and focused. I like helping my team. I like helping my team. Let's check this part together. I enjoy solving problems. I enjoy solving problems. I am interested in this position. I am interested in this position. I want to grow in my career. I want to grow in my career. I admire your company. I admire your company. I want to learn from your team. I want to learn from your team. I can contribute to your company. I believe I can contribute to your company. This job matches my skills. This job matches my skills. I am excited about this opportunity. I am excited about this opportunity. I want to develop my experience. I want to develop my experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to support the channel. Like, comment, and share.